Hello, this is Greg. I put together a quad amp tester, op amp tester. I'll get it right here. And it works perfectly. So I'm going to want to demonstrate it. So how it works is let me move my tom lav over here where you can see it good up there. This is a single op amp. Stick it in and light flashes, green one. Click the switch, the red one flashes. This is a dual op amp. Slip it in and both lights flash. 1, 2, to kind of go back and forth. Then we go up to the green, or flip the switch, and then the green ones flash. And that indicates that those are good. Now we'll go over to this side over here. And this one, on the other side you have pads for surface mount as well. I couldn't find a quad op amp other than a surface mount, which is fortunate. At least we can demonstrate that once. And we slip it on here, and you can see all 4 green lights flashing. And then we flip the switch, and all 4 red lights flash. Put that in there. And then this one here is a quad comparator. Slip it in. And you get all the red lights flashing. And flip the switch, all the green lights flash. And that is an op amp tester. If it acts differently, like this right here, throw this little guy down, let's line him up, push him down. You can see how all the lights just go out. So that's not a quad. So let's see if I think it was a comparator anyway. So down the comparator, and all the lights stay on. And then nothing on the red. I thought this was one or the other. I thought this was actually a bad one, but maybe not. I might be wrong. It happens. So I just wanted to pick out the good ones so you could see how everything works. If you are interested in one of these, you would want to go to PCBWay. You go to my desktop, go to PCBWay, go up here to the search, give it a click, type in op amp, click the go button, the search button, and you have this comes up, the Optimus op amp tester. Click on it, and it goes to here. This is the switch that I was having problems, but it's hard to find. I was having a hard time finding it. And there's videos on how to go through everything. You could even breadboard one of these out. And then here's a video of the final product. Here is a link to the bill of materials, Gerber file, and schematic. Double click it. Everything. I've had a really hard time finding this switch. And luckily I had one. And then you've got this is the Gerber file. That's just the file that they already have. That's when you ordered that. They already have it. So, and then the schematic. So, very complete. And then you would, if you were interested in buying, you would go to add to cart. I'm in the United States, and for me it is $45.97 for 5 boards delivered. It's a little expensive in comparison to a lot of the stuff that I've ordered that are, smaller boards where you can get like for $10 with shipping. But anyway, it's not like you're gonna be making one of these every week. This should last me for quite some time. And then I have 5 extra boards that I'm not sure what to do with yet. I'll see how this one holds up, because like if these pads wear out, or I don't know, But if this is, like I said, that is, I guess that's all I have to say about it. Thanks for watching, and you know, watch the videos and make up your own mind whether this is something that you might want or even have a need for. Have a great day.